Hello friends, welcome to E-SHIKSHA. Today our topic in Python is input and output. So here we go. Input in Python. For this we use a function called input in Python. This function takes the input from the user and converts it into a string. The type of the returned object always will be string type. It does not evaluate the expression, it just returns the complete statement as string. For example, Python provides a built-in function input which takes the input from the user. When the input function is called, it stops the program and waits for the user's input. When the user presses enter, the program resumes and returns what the user has typed. Okay? So the syntax of input is input. Here you give a message, enter your name, enter your roll number, whatever. So this will come as a string data type and it will be stored in a variable. So this is how we have to write the command. Let us see one example. Input, enter your name, and this whatever you enter goes in X. So when you run the program, what happens? It will show you enter your name and it will wait here. I typed my name, so this is my input. When I say print X, so my name, whatever you have entered, is getting printed. For string data type, this is the way to do, and for other data type, we have to typecast. Let us see that. For int data type, what do you say? Enter your role. So this is the entire command. Now this is getting converted into integer type. So one extra thing that you are doing is what? Int, parenthesis open, write the input command, and then another parenthesis close for int. So when you run this, it will say what? Enter your roll enter your role, and then you press what? 10 and press enter key. As you press enter key, this goes in R. So when you print R, 10 is getting printed. Similarly, for entering your average, you're giving a message, enter your average marks. This is the input command. This is converted into float type and goes in AVG. So when you run this, it will ask you enter your average marks, and it waits. You give 90.89. Okay? And you press enter key. So when you print AVG, where you stored your average marks, it prints 90.89. Similarly, for bool data, that is boolean, what do you say? Input command as it is, you say what? Enter true or false for attendance. So either you enter true or false, mind it, T should be capital and F should be capital. So this is my entire input command. This is getting converted into what? Boolean type, and the data true or false goes in B. Okay, so this is my input. I have entered what? True. So if you print B, what will be printed? True. Now, this is all about input. Now for output we use print function. Python print function prints the message to the screen or any other standard output device. We can print the data simple without any message, or if required with message. Let us see few examples. I have entered three data, 20, 30 and 40 in X, Y and Z. Okay. So you're printing print X, Y and Z. You can print multiple data in the same line. So for X you're getting 20, for Y you're getting 30, and for Z you're getting 40. this one I'm printing only one data, print x. So x has 20, so that is getting printed. Now this data I have printed without message, but it can be printed with message also. You're writing print, message should be always in single quotes or double quotes. So x is equal to, this is my message, comma x. So it prints the message as it is, and 20 is coming. Why? Because x's value is 20. Or you can do what? You can print multiple data with multiple message. X is equal to x, y is equal to y, and here it would be z is equal to z. So x, y and z, just rectify this would be z, and here it would be automatically z. So you can print multiple data with print statement. So this is how we use input and output in Python. So let us go to this script mode and write a Java program where we are going to understand the use of input and output. So let us enter two numbers. Okay, two numbers are what? Suppose x and y. X is equal to, you will finally convert it into integer, and you have to write input, and then you have to give a message, enter number 1, right? So this is the first input. I'll copy this, Control V, you're going to do. The second number you're going to store it in y, enter number 2, right? And then you're going to print the sum of the two numbers, right? So print, you can print sum is equal to, then you give a comma, and you can give the calculation in bracket also or without bracket also, x plus y. So this is one data I'm printing. Or if you want to print the difference also, put a comma here and then give the message difference is equal to comma, difference is, I'm going to put it in x minus y. Okay, this way you can print this product, the quotient, the remainder, exponent and all other things. Now let us run this program. So enter number 1, I say 50, and second number is 30. So sum is 80 and the difference is 20. I hope all of you have understood the input and the output command. Try to use them in your way. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching E-SHIKSHA. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.